Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to translate your article from one language into another language. So the first thing you have to do is find the articles that you want to translate. I already prepared to you one articles that I will like to translate. So the language here is from Korea. So the thing that you have to do is just block every words or every paragraph from this article. So let's just try to block this. And now I already got everything's blocked, and now you just need to go click copy. Actually you can just do the Google Translate right away, but then I will suggest you to do these things. Go up back into your home screen, and now you just need to find the Apple Notes by type notes, and you just need to go click them. And right after that you just need to go click this create a new project or creating a new documents by click this part. And right after that you just need to go click and paste. Whenever you got them, now you just need to block everything's on your screens again, and there will be pop up several options here, and then you just need to click this part to expand more options, and just go click this translate. Now you just need to find the translation. So here you need to change the language, choose the original language here, and you just need to find the language that you want to translate to. So here I translate from Korean into English, and you already got the English translations from those Korean words. If you want to replace the paragraph on your project, go click this one. And now you already got this document is already in the English language. So that is the way how to translate the articles on Apple Notes. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next tutorial.